In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a tricep kickback, and we're going to be doing one arm at a time in this variation. So when it comes to the tricep kickback, you've got two options of how to do the exercise. You could do it just standing, or you can have your free hand grabbing onto something for balance and support. So I'll show you both variations in this exercise tutorial. Now the setup's exactly the same. You're going to have your feet at hip width apart. You're going to have to create an angle because you're straightening the elbow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my elbow into my side. Notice here how I've got vaguely a 90-degree angle at the elbow. I'm going to keep that as I come forwards. So I'm trying to come forwards here by bringing my hips back, keeping my back straight. You can place your arm on a fixed resistance object. You don't have to though. And from here, you straighten out the elbow, big contraction of the back of the arm, back in, straighten out the elbow, and back in. Now notice how my shoulder is not moving during this exercise. It is just quite literally elbow straightening, elbow bends, elbow straightening, elbow bends. If you're somebody that gets quite uncomfortable in this position, maybe your lower back starts to hurt, that's where having your hand on something is going to create that angle, but also take a bit of pressure off your core and lower back. From here, it's exactly the same cues, straightening the elbow and bringing it back in. Make sure that when you do straighten the elbow, you pause for a couple of seconds to really engage and contract the tricep, which is at the back of the arm. Of course, you can then progress on to doing this with a weight in both hands. So you do exactly the same. This time you wouldn't be holding on to anything. Bringing yourself down into that position where you've got a straight back, bending the knees slightly, and you can of course do both dumbbells at the same time. This, however, was how to do a single arm dumbbell kickback, and you'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.